Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry, our smart board is messing up, so I'm in Miss Davis's room. So see just how y'all are having trouble at home sometimes with virtual? Miss Shice is gonna have to teach in here. So you had to bear with me. I don't really know how to use her board and pen, but she just gave me a quick lesson, so we'll see if we can get it, okay? So remember we were working with fractions and we had a fourth, okay? We had a fourth. Okay, first let me change that color. I don't really like that color. All of it. Okay, let's come back here. Okay. All right, so if we have 1/4, and I want us to show the fraction 1/4, then I'm going to go ahead and put my square right here. And remember, we've talked about this week, and we've talked about last week, especially when you had to partition into fourths. That means I need 4 equal pieces. And what's the best way to do that? Show me with your arms. Everybody move. 1, 2, 3. Make a plus sign. So in my square, I'm going to make a plus sign. Make a plus sign in your square. Give you a couple of seconds. Now, remember, I want us to understand what each one of these pieces are. Yes, they're pieces of a whole because all fractions start as a whole. Do you remember before you went home, I had my hand in my pocket and I said, you can't just whip out a fourth. You have to make sure you have something that started as a whole and then you partition it into 4 pieces. I want you to understand that this piece right here, let Miss Precise erase that real quick. All right, that this piece, hold up guys. Okay, let's see here. Is 1/4. This individual piece right here is 1/4. If I wanted to look at all the pieces though, remember just like we talked about multiplication and division, area and perimeter, and now with fractions, everybody has to get the same. So if this is a 4th, then this one is a 4th. All right, that means if these two are the same, everybody else has got to get the same. So what do you think those other 2 sides are? I'll give you 3 seconds. You're right, those other pieces are a 4th as well. So we would label that as a 4th. Oh, this pen is very sensitive. And that is a 4th. So all of these pieces together make up 4 fourths. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4 make up 4 fourths, okay? All right, so let's see. Let me go ahead in. Now, I want to review a problem that you had on some of your independent work that almost everybody had a hiccup with. So let's go ahead and look at that, okay? You had, let me pull the pen back up. You had a rectangle, and it was partitioned in halves. Do y'all remember how to partition it in a half? Show me with your hands. Where are we going to partition it? Right down the middle. Right down the middle. We're going to partition this in the middle, okay?